Lesson 37B is discount, markup, sales tax, and finding the new price. Yesterday, we just found the amount of discount, the amount of markup, the amount of profit, the amount of commission. Today, we're going to take that one step further and find new price, which we kind of talked about yesterday. We're going to continue using complete sentences, and you're going to use this in life to find out the total amount of money you're going to pay instead of just how much tip you're paying. Okay? So a little bit of background knowledge, same as yesterday from 6th grade. You learned how to convert a percent to a decimal. So just really quickly, tell me what this would be as a decimal. 0.74. How about this one?
1.24.
Good. And then this one? 0.08. And then yesterday we learned percent of a number where you multiplied 0.62 times 120, which would give you that 74.4. So far, so good, right? So look at your number one. It looks exactly like yesterday's number one, except the directions in the last sentence. Music store's percent of markup is 67%. CD costs the store $10. Yesterday I said find the markup. Today I want you to take it a step further and find the selling price. We're going to start the same way and first find the markup, which is 67% of $10. So that's 0.67 times 10. Go ahead and do that quickly. How much is that markup in dollars?
$6.70.
Good. $6.70 is the extra amount of money that store is charging you so that they can make a profit. So to find the selling price, which is how much you as the consumer, you're the customer that is buying that CD, you are paying a total of $16.70 because you need to add that back to the $10. The store is going to charge you that $10 and some extra markup. So you need to add it together. Does that make sense? If they only charge you $10, they're just breaking even. They're not making any money. So they have to mark it up, and that extra money you need to add to the 10, and that's how much you as a customer are paying. Please write your sentence. Number 2. Same as yesterday. A video game regularly sold for $45, but it's on sale for 20% off. What is the sale price? So this time, you're still going to find the discount first. But if you're buying something that's on sale, are you paying more money or less money? Less money. It's on sale. It's 20% off. So what do you think we're going to do as our last step? What math operation? Subtract. Good. So let's find a discount first. How much are you not paying? 0.20 times 45 would be? Good. The discount's $9. So that's how much you're saving. So 45 minus 9 is how much you as a customer are paying. And how much would that be?
$36.
Great. Write your sentence, please. That video game is on sale for $36, and that's how much you would pay for it after it's on sale. $9 is just how much you're saving. Three and 4 are about markup and discount again. Go ahead and do both of those on your own. First find the markup, then add it back. First find a discount, then subtract it away. Okay, so you have to read the problem and think about it. Is it asking me to find something where I'm paying more money or paying less money? So you know if you're supposed to add or subtract. Okay? Good. So first we found the markup. So yesterday's problem was 0.25 times 60, and that gives you a markup of $15. That's only the markup. So adding that to the 60 is how much you are paying for it. 15 is only the extra money that the company is making off of you, but you still have to pay that $60. So that's a total of $75 that you as a customer would buy that shirt for. Who got that one right? Excellent. Good. I saw as I walked around, most of you did. Number 4 also looked really good. Why don't you share what you did?
I multiplied 0.32 by 80 and got $25.60 as
Good.
the discount.
Excellent.
And then I subtracted 80 by $25.60 and got $54.40.
Good.
So the sales price is $54.40.
Great. This one says it's on sale, so you, as the customer, are paying less money, which means you have to subtract as your last step. It was $80, and you're saving $25.60, so after you subtract that away, you're only paying $54.40. Clear so far? All right, so on your homework tonight, it's going to be a mixture of yesterday's problems and today's problems, so you have to be really careful and read this last sentence here. Does it say find the amount of discount, or does it say find the sale price? So you need to know, is it going to be that extra step kind of problem or just the multiplying problem? Be really careful in reading the directions, okay? Turn your notes over. Let's talk about tax, sales tax. Let me ask you first, is sales tax extra money you're paying or less money you're paying? Extra. It's extra, so are we adding or subtracting? Adding. So let's find the tax first, then add that to the total amount of the cost. So Adrian bought CDs and DVDs, and the total was $75. Times 8% would be 0.08 times 75. How much is the tax? It is $6. 0.08 times 75 is $6. And then what do I do with that tax again? Add it to the 75. So the total amount that you are paying, or Adrian is paying, when he buys that at the counter would be 75 plus 6, which is a total of $81. Number 6 is also about sales tax. You go ahead and do that one. So just the tax would be the 90 times 0.13, which would be $11.70. But you still have to pay for the actual hotel room, not just tax, right? So adding that together, what would that total price be? $101.70. Look at number 7. This is tip, which is what you pay your server for doing a good job. John took his family out to dinner. The total amount of money for the dinner, just the food, was $88. He wants to tip his server, the waitress did a good job, of 15%. How much total money should he leave on the table to pay for the meal and the tip? Is this going to be an adding or a subtracting problem? Adding, because you have to pay the tip and for the bill. You can't skip out on the bill and just leave some money, right? Just leaving tip. Gotta pay for the food. So you're going to find 15% of 88 first, then add that to the 88. Go ahead and do that one. Okay, 0.15 times 88, the tip, just the tip, would be $13.20. And you can't just pay the server and be like, thank you for doing a good job, I'm not going to pay for my meal. You also have to pay for the food. So plus that 88, adding it all together would be a total of how much money, Carlos? $101.20. Any questions about tip? All right, number 8 is also about tip, but we use the word gratuity. It's just a fancy word for tip. It's usually at a nicer place where if you have like a party of 5 or more, you have to leave 15% tip. And they'll use the word gratuity on the receipt. It's just a fancy word for tip. So on your notes, you can make a note to yourself that gratuity means tip. So the Smith family went out to lunch. The lunch total was $47.50. They want to leave a gratuity of 20%. What is the total amount of money they have to leave, including gratuity? Go ahead and do this one on your own. 20% of $47.50 is $9.50. $9.50. That would be tip only. Then you also have to pay your for your food. So, Emilio, what would that be as a total?
As a total, that would be about $57.
$57 flat. Yep. Any questions about today's lesson? Okay, on your homework, you just have to be really careful to read. Is it asking for just markup or final selling price? Just discount or sale price? Okay, it's going to be both mixed up. Number ones, will you please share what the objective was and what you learned today? Ready? Share.
Okay.